The Simon XT and the XTi-5 are all-in-one wireless alarm systems from Interlogix. The difference between the two panels is the Simon XT has a traditional numeric keypad and LCD screen interface, whereas the Simon XTi-5 has a 5-inch touchscreen graphical user interface. Both of the Simon panels are easy to program. The XTi-5 is much more intuitive, however, thanks to the GUI. Simon panels have 40 zones available total that can be used all wireless, or optionally, there are 2 hardwired inputs that can be used as zones as well. One of those hardwired inputs can also be used for a low current output instead of a hardwired zone. There are 8 user codes available for arming and disarming, which, while this is much less than many of the other alarm systems we carry, for most residential uses as well as some small business uses, this will be plenty. Interlogix has a full line of wireless devices, from security sensors to life safety. There's a built-in phone dialer that is used for central station monitoring, as well as some basic self-monitoring features. For further features such as self-monitoring and remote control of the system, there are 2 communicators available. One is an Alarm.com communicator that gives full access to all of Alarm.com's features to the Simon panels, and there is also an IP data tel communicator, the Cat XT, that gives similar features.